All right, everyone, this is 2.1b, solving one-step equations continued. If you look at the do now here, we have some of those addition and subtraction one-step equations that we completed in our previous lessons. The first one, well, remember, always put your line through your equal sign so you can keep your equation balanced. Then you identify what is happening to the variable. X is being added by 2, x plus 2, so I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. Remember, the goal is to isolate x or get it by itself. X equals 12 minus 2 is 10. The next one, y is being subtracted by 10. You're going to add it to both sides. 10's cancel. Y is equal to 35 plus 10 is 45. Now the last one, you see addition, but the value of this 20 is negative, so you're going to add it to both sides. You get b equals 30. Okay. What's new today, those are your addition and subtraction property of equalities. Now we're going to be doing multiplication and division. So when you multiply one side of equation, you must multiply the other side by the same value. So fill in those red words there. The division property of equality, when you divide on one side of an equation, you must divide the other side of the equation by the same value. Solving one-step equations. So I see x divided by 2. So it shows division. So in order to isolate x, we must use the inverse or the opposite, which is multiplication. So instead of division by 2, I'm going to put multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. And remember, keeping your equation balanced. My times 2 and my division by 2 cancel each other. X equals 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, you have some practice here. Remember, we're going to keep these equations balanced. What you do to one side, you do to the other. I see x over 2. We're going to times by 2. 2's cancel. X equals 10 times 2 is 20. R over 10 equals 8 times 10 on both sides. 10's cancel. R equals 8 times 10 is 80. I'm going to leave those bottom two for you guys. Now, the opposite of this is when we need to use multiplication. So I see 5 times x. Remember, that's really 5 times x, okay? So when it shows multiplication, you got to use division instead. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5 to get x alone. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 equals x. There's your answer. Some of you like to flip it around after and write the variable first. X equals 2. That's okay too. So if you take a look at number 4, I see 49 equals 7x. And you're going to divide on both sides by 7 to get x alone. X equals 49 divided by 7 is 7. Here you have a negative 5 times b. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 5's cancel. B equals negative 35 divided by negative 5 makes a positive 7. Okay, again, I'm going to leave these two on the bottom for you guys. Now, you have to determine which is which. Go back and forth. W divided by 4 equals 25. Well, I see division, right, which means we have to multiply. So times 4 times 4. 4's cancel. W equals 5 times 4 is 100. Okay. Here you see 12 times s. Remember, there should be a hidden times in there, right? So you're going to divide both sides by 12. 12's cancel. You get s. Cool. S equals 72 divided by 12 is 6. Okay, I'm gonna leave the remaining 4 for you guys, as well as the exit slip. It says an online DVD rental company offers gift certificates that you can use to purchase rental plans. You have a gift certificate for $30. The plan you select costs $5 per month. How many months can you purchase with the gift certificate? Well, the cost per month we just said was $5. Okay, the amount of the gift certificate we already know is $30. M is the number of months, because we don't know that yet. The number of months that we can afford with our gift certificate. So your equation turns out to be 5 times M equals 30. Now all you have to do is solve that one. Remember, I see multiplication, so what are you going to do instead? Okay, don't forget to submit your work. If you have any questions, reach out via Google Voice. Thanks for watching.